Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you can never get ahead financially? Are you ready to take control of your money and transform your financial life? If so, then creating a budget is a great place to start. A budget is simply a plan for how you will allocate your income and expenses each month. It helps you track your spending, set financial goals, and make sure you are saving enough for the future. So, how do you make a budget and stick to it? Let's dive in. Step 1. Gather your financial information. Before you can create a budget, you need to know how much money you have coming in and going out each month. Start by gathering all of your financial documents, including pay stubs, bills, bank statements, and any other financial records. Step 2. Determine your monthly income. Your monthly income includes all the money you receive each month, such as your salary, bonuses, and any other sources of income. Be sure to include any irregular income, such as freelance work or rental income, as well. Step 3. List your expenses. Next, list all of your expenses for the month. These can be fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Don't forget to include expenses that only come up occasionally, such as car repairs or insurance premiums. Step 4. Compare your income and expenses. Now it's time to compare your income to your expenses. If your expenses are more than your income, it's time to make some cuts. Look for areas where you can reduce your spending, such as dining out or subscription services. Step 5. Set financial goals. Having financial goals can help motivate you to stick to your budget. These goals could be short-term, such as saving for a down payment on a house, or long-term, such as retirement. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Step 6. Create a budget plan. Now that you have all of this information, it's time to create your budget plan. There are many ways to do this, such as using a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even a good old-fashioned pen and paper. The important thing is to find a method that works for you and that you will be able to stick to. Step 7. Track your spending. Now that you have a budget plan in place, it's important to track your spending to make sure you are sticking to it. This means keeping receipts and recording all of your expenses, no matter how small. This will help you stay on track and make any necessary adjustments to your budget. Step 8. Adjust your budget as needed. Life is full of unexpected expenses, and it's important to be flexible and adjust your budget as needed. If you have a particularly high month for expenses, it might be necessary to cut back in other areas to stay on track. On the other hand, if you have a good month with extra income or low expenses, you might be able to put that extra money towards your financial goals. Creating a budget and sticking to it is not always easy, but it is an important step towards taking control of your financial life. By following these steps and being consistent, you can transform your financial future and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching Transform Your Financial Life. How do I make a budget and stick to it? We hope this video has helped you understand the importance of creating a budget and given you the tools and tips you need to make a budget and stick to it. Remember, creating a budget takes time and effort, but it is worth it in the long run to take control of your financial life and achieve your financial goals. Good luck on your financial journey. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.